Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been quite a while since I posted a video. Had some stuff going on with our life. We had a baby, and she has been taking up most of my free time. It's been great, and I'm finally in a place where I can get back to finishing up some videos I started a long time ago. This video and the next couple that I'm going to post were some projects that I made for a couple of my family members last Christmas of 18. I just got around to doing the voiceover and finishing up the edit on these and get them out to you guys. We're making here an essential oil holder for my mom, and it is made out of 3/4 inch oak and 1/4 inch aspen. It's just the pre-wrapped, pre-fancied boards from the hardware store. Here we're just getting them cut to size and glued up. Using Titebond 2 wood glue. It's one of my favorites, and I bought a whole gallon of it, so that's pretty much all I use these days, unless I'm doing some work somewhere else and I got something else going on. But I'm just going to get that glued up, and when I'm gluing this, I'm going to use some extra boards because the aspen is super soft. If I wanted to go taller, I could have put another layer of oak on the top or bottom, whichever. I think it ends up being the bottom. That would have made it a little bit better as far as clamping goes and height goes, but I liked the height with the 2 3/4 inch layers and the 1/4 inch layer. I thought that looked real good. So I got that all. Once we get that all unwrapped, we're going to trim that down to the final dimension on it, and then start drilling holes. I'm going to pilot drill with a 1/4 inch bit, and then final drill with a smaller Forstner bit on the front holes, which I didn't show on camera, and then the spade bit would be for the back holes. I hate spade bits, but I didn't have the right size Forstner bit to do this, so I had to use the spade bit. I ended up having to go back and redo the front holes because they weren't big enough. But after I shot this video, I went out and bought a whole nother set of Forstner bits, so I had the proper size to enlarge those holes for my mom, so those bottles fit better in there. Those 2 holes on the end were meant to be for pencils. I don't really like it. It seems kind of shallow for pencils, so if you're going to do it, I would go either taller on the whole thing or just omit the pencil holes. As you can see there, it kind of holds pencils, but not very well. And then just to wrap it up, I'm just going to chamfer off the edges, chamfer all the edges, and then give it a quick sand and a coat of polyurethane off camera. So it's a pretty easy build, just gluing and drilling a bunch of holes, but I thought it was kind of neat. I want to share it with you guys. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and come on back in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.